Somebody told me your devotion won't start off as devotion. Devotion starts off as a discipline. Like you do it just because you have to do it. I hate working out. But what happens is when I make a plan to go work out, it's a discipline. I'm there. I'm gonna do it. It doesn't matter. But after a while of doing the discipline turns into a desire. And the day you miss, you'll be like, man, I didn't work out today. I need to go work out today. What you have to know is that spending time with God in prayer, spending time with Him in worship, it may start out as a discipline. I'm gonna set this 24 minutes every day, or this 30 minutes, or this 10 minutes, wherever you need to start. What begins to happen is it turns into a desire. And just like when you get a good drink, like one that you gulp it, you don't wanna stop because it's quenching something on the inside.